Hello my friends, and welcome to the follow-up about the Squad 67 CD. And you see it displays it as it should. It tries to read the table of contents, so it spins, it focuses. I've measured the laser power. Laser power is good, but it does not display table of contents. This thing goes in and out smoothly. The owner even sent me a gear, but I didn't use it because it was a bit wobbly. Display works fine, but this is as far as we go at this stage. The reason for it is that it's basically very difficult to go any further. One of the signals between the mechanism and the servo board must be bad, and you cannot really measure them because there is no access to any of them. It's just all blanked up, and it's very hard to get them from underneath there with the short ribbon cable. Maybe if I made up a longer ribbon cable I could get access and troubleshoot. That's maybe the thing to do. Manual wise, well, this is what it is. This is all we have, and this is some description of the board and detailed diagram of a power supply, but that works fine. Description of a DAC and connection diagram. That's all there is. So that chip I looked, that's a servo chip Motorola, that's obsolete. It's ZC405027P. So I'm going to put it on the back burner, and when I get a bit of time I'll try to make a longer ribbon cable, replacement ribbon cable, flip the board open and measure the signal on the back to see which of them is faulty, and then trace it back and see why that doesn't work. But unfortunately at the moment, being Christmas and all, I got other things. I mean, I've spent already 2-3 hours on